Before we start, if you need the new War Plus link, comment yes on the comment section so I can drop you the link. If you are looking for a platform to earn money online with your phone, this video is for you. You can be making a lot of money on War Plus by just referring people and linking your WhatsApp to it. So watch this video to the end. You all know that the old War Plus link is no longer working and they have changed the platform. They don't operate the way they used to operate on the platform before. They have changed everything. We will no longer use phone number to create accounts. We now use email. So in this video, I am going to be showing you how to use your email to register on the platform and how to get verified on the platform. So watch this video to the end and learn. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, share it for more people to see it. Also subscribe to this channel to be getting notified whenever I'm posting video. Let's go. Go to your WhatsApp. I'm going to click on the link. Click on this particular one. I'm going to click on it. Wait for it to load. All right, as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. This is a new interface. This is how it's going to look like. So what we have here, we have the country, Nigeria. Make sure your country, you set your country. If you are in Ghana, enter Ghana. If you are in South Africa, use South Africa. If you are in Nigeria, use Nigeria. So I'm in Nigeria. I have Nigeria here already. The next thing is your email address. The email address you are going to use to create the account. Please make sure that the email is inside your phone, is logged in your phone. So the next thing we have password, confirm password, email verification. So let's start creating the account. The first thing to do is to enter your email address here. All right, I'm done entering my email. The next thing is to create a password. Let me enter my, please make sure you don't forget your password. I'm going to type in my password. Confirm the password by entering the same password. Don't forget. All right, as you can see, we are done entering our email, password, and confirm password. So the next thing to do is to verify your account to get your verification code. So what you are going to do is click on this place, click on get. I'm going to click on it, wait for it to load. All right, as you can see, the countdown has started. Once this countdown is finished, please, you need to re-enter your email and get the code again. As you can see, I just got a notification. So all right, as you can see, I got the bell on my email, this same email address. So look at the code here. Once you click on get, a notification will pop up. You can just scroll down and then get your notification. After that, just scroll down and click on register. Right, click on register. All right, as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. So let's go and view the main account. So this is a new account. That's how to create your account and verify your email on the platform. Please make sure that you are using Google Chrome. So this is how it's going to look like. This is a new WordPress platform. That's how to create your account. All right, that's how to register on the platform and get verified. If this is your first time coming across my video, my name is Church Boy. I teach people how to make money with their phone, how to grow their account on social media and be making money in Nigeria online. Don't forget to like this video, share it for more people to see it. Also subscribe to this channel to be getting notified whenever I'm posting video.